Replacing heating element in Whirlpool Duet Electric Dryer. Can't remember which wire goes where. I have also purchased new thermal fuses and am ready to hook everything BCK up. But after driving 2 hours to get the damn parts, I now can't remember which red wire goes to towhich terminal and which black wire goes to which terminal. The black and white illustration I found is less than helpful.
Hello, thank you for using this service. I will be helping you with your problem today. See if this picture helps.
Okay. Save the picture and we'll try to get a bigger view. That's about all I can do with it.
Okay, well, there a small jumper, short black, that goes between the two thermostats. The white and black wire from the machine goes to the rear thermostat. Teresa red and white jumper that goes between the red and white thermostat to the top connector on the heating element, and the solid red goes to the other terminal on the heater. Thanks and have a great day, Bryan.
Unfortunately, there are no red and white wires. Just red or black. Oh well. I'm into the damn thing for over $100 in parts and now this. So guess I'll just have to find some serviceman and have him make a damn house call. Sometime next week, I'm sure. I'll see what I can do, and if it burns out, then it burns out. Thanks for your help.
Okay, but there are shorter jumper ones, correct? With connectors on both ends. The way this works is the black wire from the machine goes to the back thermostat, then Teresa short jumper usually black between the two thermostats, then a red jumper to one of the element terminals, and the other red one from the machine goes to the other terminal. That's it. Color doesn't really matter as long as you hook it up the way I just said. It will work fine. No need for a serviceman.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.